down. I understand you.
There's nothing to understand here. You don't understand anything.
Why?
Why is he giving me an engagement ring? How is he trying to engage me? Just barely 2 weeks. 2 weeks, Ozioma, what am I supposed to tell him?
I know it's just barely 2 weeks. But see, you need to talk to him. Tell him everything he needs to know in details, especially about Junior.
Really?
Yes.
I should tell him about Junior. What if he takes this information and tells my madam and Oga? What do you think they would do? That I'm Junior's mother? What do you think will become of me?
See, I know, but you need to tell him. You need to tell him, seriously.
No, please. I need you to stop this conversation. All I want to do now is to go home. I need to go home, okay? Please.
Ozioma.
Please, just let me be. Please, stop.
The secret is there. Only you knows the truth. There is no one else. The secret is there. You can't deny it. Only you knows the truth. But how long can you hide? How long can you hide this truth? How long can you hide the truth? How long? Stop hiding this truth. Why can't you spit it out?
Sir,
Why can't you say
You've been looking so upset-minded. What is the problem?
sir, something has been disturbing me and it gave me sleepless nights.
Really? Something disturbing you and it gave you sleepless night. Is this something you want to share?
Yes. I know you're a very nice man and you would definitely give me good advice. The reason I want to share, I'm willing to share with you.
Alright, go ahead.
Let me ask you a question first. If someone comes from a very poor family background and had a child at home without a husband, do you think a man who claims to love her will still come marry her or still be with her after he must have found out the truth?
First, coming from a poor family background is not a crime. Okay? God created people different. Some from rich family, some from poor family. And so, it is not a crime that you're from a poor family background. Okay? Secondly, having a child at home is totally not a crime. As a matter of fact, it's a sign that you can procreate, it's a sign that you can give birth, it's a sign that you are fertile. And I tell you, currently, even men like us prefer a woman that has given birth at home. Because it's a clear sign that when you do such many at home, that you can give birth to further children. Now look at me. If I had gotten married to someone who gave birth at home, by now, I would have had plenty of children. But who am I to question God? God knows the best.
Thank you so much, sir. You don't know how relieved I am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. So tell me, why did you ask this question?
Sir, somebody likes me and wants to marry me. But I'm scared. I'm scared of my poor family background. I'm scared that if I tell him the truth, he will not want to be with me anymore. He will think that all my family problems will be on him, and also that he will start taking care of my sick parents.
No. You have to tell him everything. Everything about your family background. If he likes you and still wants to marry you, trust me, he will come. But if he doesn't like you and wants to leave, then allow him to leave. Let him go. That means he is not your husband. Okay? Because in marriage, your parents will become his parents and his parents will become yours. Do you get it?
I get it, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. However, if you still want me to talk to him, invite him over. Then I'll talk to him man to man.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much indeed. Thank
No,
you, sir.
don't let me bother you again.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Ozoma, what have I done to you? Do you hate me this much that you have to reject my ring in front of everybody, in front of my friend and your friend also?
I am sorry. It's just that you won't understand.
Ozoma, what is there for me not to understand? Talk to me. I will understand.
Okay, I'm going to tell you, but promise me that you will not tell my madam and her husband.
I promise you I will not tell your madam and the husband.
Okay, even if you reject me after telling you the story, please, just promise you won't tell them.
I just promised you that I'm not going to tell anyone.
I have a child. After my parents died, my uncle and the wife, in fact, they were treating me very badly. So on this particular day, he said a whole lot to me. I stepped out of the house to clear my head. Then I met this kind man. He was really nice. And he accommodated me for days. I don't know. After a few months, I realized that I was pregnant for him. I went to him, I told him, and he was really happy. He was very, very happy. He promised to marry me and he said we should go out and celebrate. We went out. I was in front. I crossed the road to go buy fruits because he said I should go buy. I don't know what he was doing behind me. The next thing I heard a scream. I turned, he was on the floor. A tricycle was beside him. He died. But he's the first and only man that has ever touched me till date.
Is that all?
Yes.
And this is the reason you've been rejecting me, refusing my ring.
I was scared and ashamed of myself.
So where is the boy now?
Please, can I tell you when the time is right? I will tell you.
It's okay. It's okay. Talk about that. Can we just start from where we stopped?
I don't understand.
Of accepting my ring. Please marry me.
After everything you've heard about me, you still want to?
It doesn't matter. You know, the Bible says marriage is for better, for worse. Please, Ozoma, marry me.
No, I'll marry. I'm going to marry.
Come on, stop. Thank you so much. Is it really from your heart?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
When you're not eating?
I am. I'm trying to reply a very important message.
Okay.
Yeah.
That reminds me. I've not seen Ozima for like 3 hours now. Did you send her anywhere?
Maybe she went to see her friend, Hamaka.
That girl again. That girl, Amojo. That girl again. Again. Ha!
Okay. So we're here now.
Thank you.
Are you shy?
Not shy. Thank you.
Okay.
I think it's high time I put my eyes on these people. Because as it stands now, I can't even take it anymore. I cannot take it anymore. I can't.
Okay. Good day, sir. Good day, ma'am.
And where are you coming from? Who was that I just dropped you now?
My friend, ma.
Eh? Oh! You can fly now.
No, ma.
Shush it, let me finish. Don't know ma yourself. Not me. Oh, this is what you do in my house now. You sneak out of my house and start looking for different cars to phone that will drop you everywhere. Different cars.
No, ma. I just.
Is he the one you told me about?
Yes, sir.
I hope everything went on well.
Everything did, sir.
Alright. You're welcome. You can go inside, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
I hope everything went well. Well done, sir. You are not the pimp master. The pimp CEO. Right? Oh, so you are aware. She's seen men under my roof in my house. Is that where? Hey!
Alright, to answer your question, I am not a pimp master. At least. I know she's seen a man. That will make your mind relax and stop suspecting that I have something going on between us.
Are you serious? Wow, babe. So after explaining everything to him, he still accepted you and gave you the ring? Wow, I'm so happy for you. You know, this calls for a celebration. You know that. I'll be coming. Promise, I'll be coming. I'm so happy. So happy, my baby. Ozzy, baby. You are the luckiest girl on earth. You know that. Don't worry, I'll be coming. We will celebrate. It calls for a celebration. It calls for a huge celebration, my baby.
Johnson, are you saying that she accepted the ring and at the same time agreed to marry you?
Of course, bro. That girl is one in a million. That girl is something else. I can't even wait to travel to the village to go tell my mom about this. She'll be so happy. In fact, this is going to add like 10 years to her life.
It's good news. Yeah, come to think of it, what about the boy she said she had in her parents' house? Where is the boy?
She said the boy is fine. Yeah, but she doesn't want to tell me about the boy. She said she's going to talk about it when the time comes. But meanwhile, the boy is fine wherever she is. But meanwhile, the boy is fine wherever he is.
Well, I wish you both best of luck.
Thank you, bro.
Congratulations.
Obonna. Johnson, my man. Is your name very strong?
Come on,
Wonder.
Well, what do you care for?
You're welcome once again.
Thank you very much, sir.
From an indication of what you said, it is very clear to me that you want to marry Ozio.
Yeah, by God's grace.
Alright, that is good. First thing first, I have to call her, okay? Because your mission to my house is a good one. I will call her because I'm not going to speak for her. If she says yes, I have nothing against you. But if she says no, I am sorry. Because that is the custom and tradition. Alright?
It's okay, that's the right thing to do.
Honey? My love. Please call Uzioma for me.
So how is it for you?
Very well. And how are your parents?
My parents, they're fine. They're good. They're in the village, But they used to come to the city to visit once, not all the time.
That shows you're taking very good care of them.
Why not? They're the only people I have.
No worry, please.
That's it.
So you sent for me.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Ozioma,
Sir.
this young man here came with his friend. And he came with this drink. And he said he's interested in you. That he wants to marry you. And of course, I am not going to speak for you. And so I want to hear from you. What do you think? Should I accept the drink from him as a sign that you're going to accept his proposal or not?
Sir, I'm aware that they'll be coming today. I love him and I'd like to marry him.
Good one. I ask you again. Would you want to take time to think about this, or I should go ahead and accept the drink?
No, sir. No. I've thought about it and I want to marry him.
It's okay. You can go.
Okay.
First thing first. I have to let you know that Ozioma is not my daughter. Okay? She's just a hustle working for us. But I must tell you the gospel truth. Ozioma is hardworking. Ozioma is industrious. Ozioma is a complete housewife. You will not regret having or making this decision. Trust me. First thing first, you have to go and see her people, okay? Make your intention known to them, then they're going to give you their traditional marriage list, okay?
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. I'm going to do as you said. I will try and talk with her.
Cheers to that.
You heard what Yoga said, huh?
Yes, I did.
So what next?
I am going to give you a direction to the man's house. The man I told you about. He's one of my father's kingsmen. He's going to give you a list, but please just give him the money so that he can buy the things himself. You know I won't be there and I don't want to see him.
It's okay. If that's going to make you happy, I'll do it.
No problem. Okay? I'll come by the house so that we'll talk more.
So when are you coming?
Next tomorrow.
Okay, I'll be waiting. Tell him I'm coming, okay? Come on.
I want to ask you, sir, what kind of a man are you? Sir, what kind of a man are you exactly? Where did you come from, Pluto or Earth? What kind of a man are you that you can't even consider your wife for one thing? Why? Why are you like this? Eh? How can you just approve of that marriage, that charade called marriage between Ozoma and that Fraff? Eh? How? What's marriage? How is that possible? Oh, so you want Ozoma to just go now and marry? How? My kids. Who will take care of my children? Junior and Tom is going to school. Who? Food. Who will cook food here? Clean the house and everything. Who? Is it me? How? That's pure wickedness. You are so wicked to your wife. How can you be wicked like this? Sir? How? Ha!
Madam, do you expect me to keep a full-grown woman in my house? A woman that is ripe for marriage?
Mango.
You want me to keep her here in my house? Doing what? Can't you just be considerate for once? Huh? Your kids are grown up. Teach them what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Oh, I remember when Ozoma was teaching them what to do. You were there complaining, saying that she's suffering your kids, and now she wants to leave. You are here complaining unnecessarily. Be guided. You will never have any other house in this house. You have to learn how to do things yourself. Woman.
And I call bullshit. Really? It's not possible. Impossibility, impossible. It cannot work. Or walk or God. How? Mama Mabel. How now? I'm not a slave. I'm not. Yes, she goes nowhere. Ozoma, marry who? Can she spell marriage? She will be here and train my children for me. All I paid her for it. She goes until I say so. Otherwise, she stays here. Marry who? So we are. Come on, marry now. Spell marriage. Listen. He can't walk, sir. What am I saying? What did you? Go back to who brought you. Yeah, go back to who brought you. You cannot walk. You can't make me mad. You are the mad one.
Junior, I hope you've learned everything that I taught you. Like you spreading, like taking care of yourself, washing the plates, making your beds. Flushing the toilet when you pee. Beautiful. And Junior, please remind me, what was that thing I said that I would like for you to be when you grow up?
A lion.
So you remembered. Give me a high five. Good boy. Give me a good boy. Hey. Hey. Good day, sir.
Good day, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, what's going on? Why is everyone happy?
Sir, Junior has a vision and I would like for you to help him achieve it. Yes.
What could be that vision?
Daddy, I want to be a lawyer.
My boy, come here. Whoa, you want to be a lawyer?
Yes, Dad.
Alright, I am making you a promise today, okay? I will train you until you become a lawyer. Then you will grow in your profession until you become a senior advocate. Okay?
Thanks, Daddy.
Give me 5. Ah! That's my boy. Alright. Alright, go back to auntie.
Sir, let me get you a drink or something.
Alright, thank you. So, Junior, how are you?
Fine.
You're good, right? That's my boy. That's my boy.
No,
You're here.
My children, this is the list.
I know what? I would want you to check everything. Tell me how much it costs. Okay? I would like to give you the money you have. So you can call your people and do it the way you're doing it in your community.
That will be very hard. Because we have not seen her daughter. We don't know even if she's alive or not.
Okay, that one is not a problem. If you want, I can call her on a video call so you guys will talk.
Yes.
Hold on, let me call. Okay, now. Babe. Okay, okay.
Hey. Hey. What's your ma? Eh? Is it really you? Ah. Now, it's been a long time. And I've been asking after you. I've been looking for you everywhere. They are all fine. Everyone, they are all fine. Thank you. Two men are here. They say they are looking for you. One of them said he wants to marry you. Are you aware of that? Okay. I've heard you. Okay. Okay. Thank you, my daughter. Bye-bye.
I'll call you back, okay? So, Papa, are you satisfied now?
Very, very. I'm happy.
Okay.
So, to monetize all the lists.
No problem, sir. My friend here will do the needful. All we want is the total cost of what it is. Then maybe he will make a transfer. Then he will be able to settle the homeowner and the rest.
I think the total, like I was saying, I have discussed with them. I have also given them the marriage lists. They went through it. But they said they wanted to convert it to money. So we all calculated it together. And they eventually transferred the money to my account. The total amount is just 900,000.
900,000.
What he transferred into my account.
That's a good one. I like that. I like that. That's why I said you are a good elder. That's why you're a good elder.
You can always
you share the money into your account.
Yes.
That's good. See what you will do. What's in the time? Right. After 5. The bank might have paid now. See what we'll do. By tomorrow morning, go to the bank, withdraw that money and bring it to me. I will give you 30% of that money and keep the rest. Because Ozoma is my daughter and it is my responsibility to present the whole thing to the woman. So forget about Omon, I will handle them. Just go to the bank and get the money. Then I will give you 30%. I will handle it.
Uzodima money monger. Now you know that Osioma is your daughter. Because money is involved. When you and your wife were pushing that innocent girl here and there, to the point that you abandoned her with pregnancy, you didn't remember that she's your daughter. Did you?
Why are you talking about the past? That has been past. Why are you talking about the past? See, Ozioma is my daughter. She's my daughter. And I have every right to ask you for the money. Is she your daughter? See, don't worry. Just go and get the money. Ozioma is my daughter. And you can't deny that. I can't deny that. She's my daughter no matter what. So that money belongs to this family. I am the one to handle it. I am the one to share it to Omona. And I am the one to, in fact, present everything to Muna and tell them this is what our in-laws brought on Uzoma's head. So everybody will take his or her own share. So forget this, get the money. Leave that, I will handle it.
Vladimir, I know what you want. You want to eat that money alone.
But I said I'll give you 30%.
I don't want. Yeah. I don't want.
Hey, that's the one. That I've been keeping quiet and following you calmly does not mean that I don't know what to do. Yeah. It's also my daughter. What is your problem? Go and get that money and let me give you your share and keep my share. What's your problem? It's also my daughter.
She's my daughter. I know that you love money more than your life. I will not give you that money. I will not. I'm leaving. I will not share anything with you. I won't give you a dime. Sorry.
Look at this.
I'm going to my house.
Look at this. He will not give me a dime. My own money. My own money, my in-laws bring in my daughter's head. My own daughter. Okay, we shall see. As we shall see. I got boy.
Some people will come in your life, pretending to love you, to care for you, just because they need you. First friends everywhere, first relatives everywhere. How can we avoid them? Washirika, this world is deep. No one knows tomorrow. Retrace your steps. I wish people were like money, so when I put them in the light, I know which one is the real one. One or two where you go don't go by their actions.
Auntie, please don't go to stay with you.
Okay, Junior, hold on, wait, just listen to me. My husband is here to take me and I have to go. But I promise I'll always come see you and your sister Doris, okay?
Junior, don't worry, huh? Anytime you want to visit your auntie, I'll always take you there, spend some time with her, then we'll come back home.
I want to go with Dana.
You come here. Stay with school. Where are you going to?
Hey, calm down. I will handle this. I will handle this. Junior, don't worry. Tomorrow, I will take you to your auntie's house. Then you spend 1 week with her, okay?
No, I'm sure.
Yes, I am sure.
Okay, can we start going now? It's getting late.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm really happy. God bless you. Junior.
God bless you, sir.
Junior. Listen, I'll see you soon, okay? Thank you so much.
Let me see you off, okay? Okay, ma'am. Let's see her. Okay?
Mad.
Babe, what's the baby? So finally, you move into this beautiful mansion as your home.
Yeah.
Babe, you are the luckiest girl on earth.
I didn't hear that. Please, say that again.
You are the luckiest girl on earth. You got it!
I am.
Like my dear, honestly, I am so happy for you.
Oh,
Like, so happy.
but you know it's not my making. It's all God.
I know. How far about the wedding plans and all that?
Amaka, please, oh. I don't want to believe this. Were you not the one I told that you would accompany me to the market to buy things, prepare for the wedding, buy wedding items? Was it not you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wait, does that mean you've forgotten, Amaka?
No, I did not forget. I'm
Okay.
talking of the little things that need to be done, you know. Preparation of wedding is not an easy thing. It's not an easy task, my sister. I remember when my brother, the doctor, was planning for his own wedding. Man, it took lots of time. Like stress, energy. All those are where I'm heading to.
But wait. All of them survived it.
Yes.
They scaled through. They did the wedding right.
Mm-hmm.
I will do my own. Like, Haba, what
That's
did
the
they say?
spirit.
They survived, I will survive.
Of course, my dear. What about your husband?
My darling, just guess where he might be.
Where?
He's at work. He's busy. He's very, very busy.
Of course. If he's not busy, how will he acquire this mighty, beautiful mansion?
Right?
Mm-hmm.
That's true. That's true. But, in between his busy schedule, he calls me. Just wait. After my phone is going to ring very soon. And I rush upstairs. Is he will call me. He always calls me, check up on me. Why are you smiling? Why are you shying for me? I don't understand.
I'm saying a beautiful love, like.
Excuse me. Please drink and eat. Oh.
She's in love. Oh. I'm so happy, Joe. Wow.
I mean, drink.
Ozzy, my friend. Like.
Drink it.
Oh my goodness. So baby,
Yeah.
the land we got last year, I said let me ask you, when are we working on it? Like doing something?
Hopefully next month ending. As a matter of fact, I've discussed with my contractor. We're yet to conclude on something.
Okay, that's fair enough. So what do you have in mind to build on that land?
I know we've talked about this before, and we agreed that I'm going to build a small hotel of about 20 rooms.
Hotel?
Yeah.
My lover, I felt you told me that you do not like hotel business, and then you asked me for my opinion and we discussed about it. So which one is hotel again? Like, I don't understand.
You can keep your opinion to yourself. I've made up my mind to build a hotel there.
Okay, now, before you insult me, stand with your silly. Oh, that's my barrister. The barrister is back. The barrister is yes.
Come here, look at
Sue
you.
your father. Sue was insulting me now.
Huh? Look at you.
Sue him. Yes, my barrister is back. Look at talk and they will sue you. We go to court.
Thank you, mommy.
Yes, welcome my son. No, come on, give us salute. Salute us. We're your parents. Salute us.
Attention! Hey. Salute your parents!
360. That's it.
Thank you.
That's my son, my barrister.
Mommy, thank
Welcome,
you.
my son. You look so good. That's it. Your father has been insulting me. Sue him. You go to jail.
That is happening.
You go to jail. My son is here.
But you know I can't see that.
You must see him. You must see him.
Daddy, where's my
That's my-
sister? Where's Doris?
Oh, Doris, she's inside. Doris! Yes, mommy. Your brother is back. Come.
Welcome back. I'm fine.
Looking good,
Okay. So I
I miss you.
Hey, you're looking at Barrister Junior Forcing.
My son says well with enough alacrity. Come on!
Barrister
Junior Percy! Thank you! That's it! Very soon.
Yeah? Of course. But don't worry.
Take it
I'm
back
making
inside.
series of investment for you. Okay? Like this, a wealthy man when you get to
Establish a
marriage.
hold on. My son. What do you want to eat? I'm talking to you. What to eat? Say it.
Mom, fried rice.
First salad. Swallow so you have strength.
Mom, I really miss fried rice.
Fried rice. Yeah. What you want. Then you have it. 5 years ago. Stay there. You are a bloody civilian. That's the barrister coming. Mommy! Yes, my son. Yes, my son.
Ah, we met.
When are you going to see the kids in the school?
Month's end. It's their visiting day. For now, I have a whole lot of issues I need to sort out.
Issues? What kind of issues?
My son.
Your son, I mean the one you had in your parents' house?
Yes. That one.
What about him?
Honey, you remember the day I was telling you how I got pregnant? And then I told you that you asked his whereabouts and I said that at the right time I was going to tell you. You remember?
Yes, I remember.
I think now is the right time. I'll tell you the story. You remember that little junior I used to take to school then when I was with my Oga?
Mm-hmm. What about him?
Junior is my son, but my Oga and Madam, they don't know about this.
If you're actually getting me confused. If Junior is your son, then how did you get into that home as their own son?
Jesus.
Honey, see, how did this baby get here? How? Who?
Who could have kept this baby here?
Did you not send anybody?
I swear.
Honey,
Carry the baby up first.
eh?
Carry the baby up. You did not see anyone? No one around.
There's a little note here.
Please, take care of this baby. Don't bother looking for me. Thanks. Helpless orphan.
Here. Helpless orphan.
Oh, wonder shall never end.
Honey,
Eh?
take baby inside.
Inside?
Yeah, sure. Take baby inside. Okay? Go inside.
Sorry.
Take baby inside.
Inside? Yeah. Did you send me?
So, they gave him the name Junior, but that's not the name I gave him. I named him Chidubem. Chidubem, my son.
This is going to be very hard. How do you intend to do this?
Well, that won't be a problem. I know that I'm going to get my son. Besides, he's now a lawyer. And that's the dream, my dream, for him to become a lawyer. Like he knows his rights now.
I don't know what to say. I don't know just what to say about this.
I understand.
I don't just know what to say about this. Do you have any concrete evidence or evidences to your claim?
I do. That shouldn't bother you. All I need to do now is see Chidubem and have a talk with him. You know, that's what I have in mind to do. I need to see him. But if it's about having evidence to back up my claim, I do have them. How are you, Junior?
I'm fine, Auntie. It's been a while.
You've been in school, but thank God you're done with school now.
Yeah, to God be the glory. But the truth, it has not been easy. But we thank God.
Yes.
Auntie, my mom and dad, they are not around.
Okay.
Do you want me to give anything to drink?
No, it's fine. Junior, I actually know that they will not be around by this time. Reason I came with a surprise message.
A surprise message. What would that be?
I have a contract for you.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and you know that I've always wanted good things coming your way. Reason I advised you to be a lawyer, and now you are actually doing well.
Yes, you're very correct. And I want to thank you for everything. You know I will never forget that.
I understand. Thank God. More. Okay, so, Junior, I want you to come by the house so we can, properly have this contract discussion very well.
Okay, how about tomorrow?
Perfect.
Oh.
Tomorrow is not late.
Alright.
Okay?
I'll come.
Alright, and now, I want that drink now, but I prefer water.
Just water?
Just water.
Alright, I'll be right back.
So big.
It's okay. I'll be right back.
This is cola.
I think you shouldn't bother. This can wait. I'm eager to know why you asked me to come. I want to know the nature of the business. If maybe after the business talk, we can do this.
If you say so.
Yes.
If you say so. I am going to tell you a story.
Alright, go ahead. I'm listening.
Uncle, the doctor has given me a birth date and I've not gotten anything. I've not put myself together. Not even a cloth. I've not gotten anything at all.
The doctor has given you a date?
Yes.
And you have not gotten anything?
Yes.
So all these things you are saying here now, how is it my business?
Uncles, I just need you to give me little money, some money so that I can get baby items, gather one or two things, prepare myself for that day. I've not gotten anything at all.
As your father or your husband, which one am I?
Uncle, I'm your late brother's daughter. As such, I'm your daughter as well. You need to take care of me. Please, Uncle.
A daughter who cannot listen to her father. All the things I've asked you to do for your own good, did you do it? Yeah? Did you do it? And you are here now telling me that you are my father. There's nothing like a father and daughter here. Get out of my sight.
Please, I know you are angry that I insulted you, but I said that you know the reason I said it. Please. Oh, I'm sorry. It will never ever repeat itself again. I will never say such a thing to you again.
It is already late when the head is off. You said I'm an evil man. And you want the evil man to give you evil money. Eh? I don't have money. In fact, I have money, but I will not give you.
Hey.
Stop shedding this your crocodile tears and get out of my sight.
Hey, Uncle. Uncle Dirogwamao, please. I just need little money. I don't know. What have I done to deserve this? Just money is all I'm asking. Have you even thought about how your late brother would feel if he sees you doing this to me? Oh, please, Ayokanaya.
Then if your late father is seeing me or seeing what I am doing, let him come out and ask me to give you the money, or let him give you the money himself. Huh? Let him give you the money by himself.
Uncle, please.
And stop disturbing me.
Please, I'm just begging you. Just small money is all I'm begging you, please.
I said I don't have money.
Please hear the poor orphan who has no one to speak for her, who has no one to fight for her. She's crying for her. She's crying for her. She's crying for her. Anyone I offended, please forgive me, please. Please forgive. Forgive. If I offended you, please forgive me. Please, I'm an orphan. Please forgive me. Is it my destiny to suffer in this life? Is there anyone behind?
This is serious. Until you mean you went through all that.
This is just a tip of the iceberg. If I go deeper, you will cry for me.
Honestly, Auntie, your story is really so pathetic. But I have a question.
Okay?
What about that child? Where is he now? Me? Me?
Yes, Junior, you.
Auntie, are you saying I'm that child? You are my mother?
Sincerely, the people you know to be your parents are not your biological parents. In fact, yes, they call you Junior, but that's not the name I gave you. Your name is Chidubem. Hey, please. I'm so sorry you're getting to know this now and in this situation. But please, I don't need you to tell them. I don't want them knowing about this because I will come for you.
Auntie, are you saying you are my mother?
I am your mother.
Hey,
Junior,
oh my
Junior,
God.
Junior.
Oh my God. How am I going to handle this?
Junior, hey. Junior, stop. It's okay, alright? I know you can handle it very well. I have been teaching you how to be responsible. Remember the you making your bed, the you washing plates, the you everything, Junior. I have been preparing for this day. Reason I've been training you to be responsible. And remember, I also convinced Mr. Paulson to train you to be a lawyer. Because I know that there are so many wars that you would fight. Including the war between my Uncle Zodima. Junior, I know it's a lot for you to take in, but...
No!
This world is big, no one knows tomorrow. Retrace your steps, stop making others unhappy. I can't just stop this wicked. This world is deep. This world is deep. No one knows. No one knows. Retrace your steps. Nature self-centeredness. Oh, greediness can lead you to nowhere. This world is deep. No one knows to borrow. Retrace your steps. Stop laughing at people in their present condition. And we're on your imagining you know what tomorrow is pregnant. This world is deep. This world is deep. No one knows. No one knows.
Junior, why am I eating your food? What is it?
Nothing, Mom.
Junior, how can you be in this mood not eating your food? And your mom asked you what is wrong. You said nothing. If there's any problem, eat your food. When you don't eat it, then we'll talk about it.
Dad, I want to ask you something. Please, tell me.
Alright. Go ahead and ask whatever you want to ask and I will tell you the truth.
Dad, is it true that... Never mind.
I said, go ahead and ask your question. I will answer you.
Junior! What is wrong with you? Doris?
Mom.
What is wrong with your brother?
I don't know, Mom. He has been acting like this since yesterday.
Oh, really?
Since yesterday. And you didn't deem it fit to let me know.
I've lost my appetite. Excuse me.
Look at these children. Is this some sort of conspiracy or what?
Uncle, how is the family?
My daughter, everyone is fine. Just look at you. You're looking so beautiful.
Thank
Hey!
you. Thank you.
Ego Amaka. So how is your husband and children?
Well, to the glory of God, everybody's doing absolutely well.
Oh, I can see that.
Yes.
You don't need to tell me.
Thank you.
Before I forget, how is your son? That
Chidubem.
That's his name, Chidubem.
Yes, Chidubem.
How's he doing?
Well, he's doing good. Very good.
Oh, great. Great.
Uncle.
Yeah?
He's actually the reason I came here. In fact, the main reason I called you on phone to come here with me is so that you would hear everything I have to say to my uncle here.
I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem at all. Uncle, I came to tell you that my son Chidubem will be coming back to retrieve, everything that belongs to my father. You know it is his. So I would like you to retrieve everything that you've sold. They are rightfully his. That's the reason I came here, just to tell you this.
What did I hear you say?
Well, I'm very certain you're not deaf and dumb. So you understand every single statement that I have made. I am saying that Chidubem, my son, is now a lawyer. So whatever problem you feel you want to bring, he's equal to the task. So everything that my late father owns, that you have sold, to whomever you've sold, I do not care. You need to retrieve everything back. Do you understand me? Well, you can understand or you will not understand. Auntie, please, I am begging you. Talk to your husband. Because I don't want problem. In fact, I am equal to the task. If he brings problem, well, we can sort it out. But please, I need you to talk to your husband for me. That's it.
Hi, my daughter, please calm down, eh? Hasn't gotten to that. Everything will be settled. Biko.
Well, better. You had better settle it because you better talk to him. Talk to him. Talk to him. That's all I'm here to say. Uncle, I'll take my leave now. Okay. As you've heard everything I have to say, okay? Thank you. 1 minute, please.
Very well.
Please, just help me manage this, okay? No, Uncle, please don't reject it, please. Please,
it's
just
not too much.
No, it's not. Please, just take it from me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, okay? Thank you. I'll take my leave. I'll see you later.
Thank you, my daughter. Alright, my daughter.
She can't do anything. She's talking nonsense. Am I afraid of a lawyer? If she wants us to go to court, I will go to court and nothing will happen. I will win her. Nothing will happen. Hey. Am I afraid of a lawyer?
Hey! Hey! Uzodimma. Anything that wants to happen, let him happen. Yes. If he wants to go to court, let him go to court. You are not afraid of lawyer.
What can she do?
Just to look at you. Eh? Why didn't you say all these things when she was here? Your mouth was sealed.
You want me to start exchanging words with just a common woman, a girl of yesterday? You want me to start exchanging words with that because her son is whack lawyer?
I warned you, didn't I? I warned you when you were selling those lands. Eh? But you said nothing will come out of it. Nothing will happen. Now, it's about to happen. Eh? If you don't do everything she said, and something comes out of it, I will testify against you.
You will testify against me?
Yes.
Ha!
I will testify against you.
Now I know that you are a fool. So the little money she has given to you, I've started working. That's why you're no longer talking with your senses. No problem. No problem. You will testify against me. Okay.
Nine.
Organi.
This is not an issue of Ogini. Nine, this is a serious matter. You have to start thinking of what to do before this matter lingers. I know why I'm saying this, so. Kwane lawyer.
Amuchi, I did not see her give you any money, or did she do that in spirit so that you can fight me? Did she give you money in spirit for you to fight me?
Were we not here together?
Get inside. You can never.
No,
I say get inside. Get inside where I want. Get inside. You can go back. No way I could you now back at the we shall see.
You're looking so good.
Thank you.
And I hope your kids are looking so good like you.
They are better than me. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Mr. Johnson, you're doing wonderfully well. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sir, how is my son, Junior?
Oh, he's doing so well.
Okay, that's beautiful. Good.
Who is your son? I do not understand. You were my son's nanny, his personal maid for years, and then you guys have this kind of bond, stupid bond. And you come here to say, there's something about you that is just negative. You are so, everything about you says negativity. Who is your son? You should mind your tongue.
Well, it's fine. But what if I told you that Junior, the Junior you know, is my son, I mean my biological son.
And I'll tell you you're mad.
Okay.
You are stark, raking,
start ringing stupidly, crazily, uselessly.
Please,
mad.
can you just stop it? Please, I am married now, for God's sake. I am no longer the nanny you used to know. Why would you want to insult me in front of my husband? Please, can you just stop? Well, I have a story to tell you. A story that would make you understand actually that Junior is my son. In fact, his name is Chidubem, not Junior. Mrs. Paulson, you remember the day you went to your friend, Mrs. Flora? You know, you were there telling her that you wanted to adopt a baby and you would also want a nanny that would be taking care of the baby. You actually told her that same day that you've moved out from the old house and your husband built a beautiful mansion and you've packed in there. I was just in the chemist beside Flora's shop. I was getting medications for my son. So I overheard everything that you said. The next day, I wrapped my son and then, you know, dropped my son in front of your gate. This is the wrapper. This wrapper. And this here is a note that came with my baby. I'm sure if you read through it, you will remember exactly, these are the exact same words that were there. So, well, while you're going through it, I'd continue. So, I left my son in front of your gate and, you know, I hid myself. There I saw, after a few minutes, you and your husband, you drove out, you got down, and then you attended to my boy. You were actually looking around, but you didn't see anybody because I didn't want you to see me. I just wanted to confirm that my son is safe. But when you picked up the boy, I was okay and I left. The next day I came to maybe somehow check on him and know if I would see him. Lo and behold, I saw a sign that read, "Nanny needed," and I came in. I told you that I wanted to walk with you and you accepted. I just wanted to be close to my son and make sure that he's feeding fine. I wanted to breastfeed him. You remember when you would say, "Ozioma, you're not feeding my baby so well. Why is this baby food still full?" You were not saying double. You were correct. I was actually breastfeeding my own child. My son. That's it. Junior is my son. My biological son. I'm his mother. I am. I truly am.
Wow. So this is true. You're not my mother.
No. Oh, don't mind her. She's alive from the pit of hell. I am your mother. I gave birth to you.
No, Chidubem, I am really, really glad that you've heard everything that I said. I am your biological mother. Reason I've been teaching you everything right from when you were little. Do you making your bed? Do you wash your Stop! Chidubem!
Ozioma, leave my house.
Chidubem, you are my...
Ozioma, leave my house before you show me! Leave my house!
You don't need to scream, I am going to leave. But Chief, you remember the period of...
Leave my house!
The secret is there. Only you knows the truth.
Get out!
No one else. The secret is there. You can't deny it. Only you knows the truth.
cannot happen. Nobody will take Junior away from me. Not on my life. It can never happen.
So all these years, I have been living with the biological mother of the boy that I called my son. Women. Women. Why are you people so secretive? Why? The fear of a woman is the beginning of wisdom.
We have to do something. We must do something before it is too late. We must.
I am sorry to disappoint you, but I doubt if there's anything we can do because she has all the facts to back up her proof that she is the biological mother to the boy we called our son.
So what are you insinuating?
What I'm insinuating is that there is nothing we can do. We don't have any proof, nothing. And be guided that the very day we saw that little boy at the gate side when we picked him up, we never lodged any complaint at the police station. So we can officially adopt the young boy.
So, my love, what you are saying in essence is that you fold your hands here and watch that low-life idiot, that unfortunate fool take away Junior from me. Is that what you're saying?
What I am saying in essence is that we have to tie her lock to Shima so she can help us out.
Me? Dialogue with who? Osiama? Over what? For the records, nobody will take away my son Junior from me. Not after all my sufferings, training this boy in everything. I would not allow it to happen. Not on their life. Not in this life. Not in the next one to come. No, my man. Never.
There's something I want to ask you. Don't be angry, okay?
Why would I be angry? Please ask. I'm listening.
How could you hide this? All these years you've been living with constant wife. And secondly, are you sure you can be able to claim that boy? I mean, Chidubebi.
Honey, I'll start by saying, I'm not offended you asked. And don't worry yourself. Now coming to your question. Of course, I was able to hide all of this from them because I knew exactly where I was going to. And I knew what I wanted. I'm talking about if I know how to claim my son, my own biological son. I have all the evidence. So don't worry yourself, okay? I can claim my son. He is mine. My biological son. So baby, don't worry, okay? I got this covered. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Officers, that's the fool. Arrest her. The fool that's claiming my son. Arrest her, because.
What have your order arrest? Or take your someone's son away. And you don't have anything to say. I advise you to keep quiet.
Whatever you do or say, here will be used against you in the court of law.
Madam, let's move. Madam Mabel, what is this? You have the gut to come to my house to arrest my wife with police?
No, where were you when she came to my house to claim my son? Were you not there? Ipurisi, call your Nife.
No, madam, move.
Move,
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Alright, I'm coming right.
Don't worry yourself, Obi. I have patience.
Arrest her!
Madam, come on, let's go.
Move!
Madam, move.
Move, oh yeah!
Madam, as you can see, this case is beginning to take a different dimension entirely. And first, I would want to start with this. According to the petition that was written against you by Mrs. Liberal Orphan, and what you wrote on your statement, I want to ask you, do you have any evidence or evidences to back up your claim?
I do. With you. I have every evidence to back up my claim. Well, I don't mind. You can send your men to me back to the house so I can gather all the information that I need.
Alright, I'll do just that if that is going to help us to put an end to this whole drama. It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Divya, thank you.
Sorry, you don't have to thank me. I'm only doing my job.
Junior, what are we going to do now? I wish all this whole thing happens to be dream. You're my only brother. I can't afford to lose you to another family.
Honestly, Doris, I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Lord, promise me, if it happens to be true, don't leave me. I can't stay here alone, please.
This is Mabel Orphan. I have had the privilege of going through all our investigation reports, and it has proven that the boy in question, Chidubem or Junior, is Mrs. Oziama's biological son. So I will only advise that you allow the young lady to take her son back. But if by otherwise you totally disagree with what I have just said, you can go to court and contest it. But I can assure you, going to court because of this case will not favor you, and you will end up embarrassing yourself. You know why? When you first saw the boy in front of your gate, and you took him in as your son till date, you did not report the matter to the police. Neither did you go to the court of law to seek a legal backing, making him your son, or you the mother of the boy. So I will only advise that you go back home, do the needful, and return back here in the closing of this case. I guess I have made myself clear. Think about it. It won't favor you.
My son. Junior, you are my son. I am your mother. This is your house, our home. Please, my son, just make me this promise. Promise me that you will not leave me and follow anyone. Please, promise me that you... Doris, come and help me and beg your brother. Beg him not to leave us and go to anywhere. Eh? That we love him. He should not follow anybody. I am his mother. I am your mother.
Brother, you're not leaving us, right? The answer is no, because you're not going anywhere. Mommy and Dad loves you so much. Me, your sister, I love you more. Please, don't leave us. We can't afford to lose you. Please. We love you. We don't want you to leave. This is your home. You belong here.
no perfect moment. What you don't know is bigger than you. You cannot keep this secret forever. God knows the best for you. Only say the truth. The truth is life. Just say the truth, Ellie. 'Cause what we be must be. Onye genyere mmadụ aka, ka genyere ya aka, no matter what, so ever. No matter what, so ever.
Mom, I want to thank you both for giving me this life that I have now. No matter what, you're still my dad, and you are still my mother. I will always make our time to come and visit you both. I promise. Doris, I'm going to miss you. Anytime you want to see me, just call me. I will come to the house. Or better still, anywhere I am, I'll tell you to come and meet me.
Okay.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
You cannot keep this secret forever. God knows the best for you. Only say the truth. The truth is life. Just say the truth.
I want to understand why you sold my father's properties, especially his lands, without telling me. And I'm understanding that from you, what you said you used the proceeds to open a business, like businesses for your son in the city. I also want to remind you, maybe you've forgotten, how I suffered in this village. You maltreated me. You treated me wrongly. In fact, I can't even tell it all. Then coming to when I was pregnant with my son, I begged you both to take me as your daughter. I begged for food. You made me beg for food. I will beg for food until we say, hey, the remaining food is for my husband. I will say, okay, just dish it out. Please give me the rest. But she will say, no, you love it. Anyways, this is not the issue. My problem now is, the reason I'm here is, I need those lands back. Because my son, Barrister Chidubem, is here now. So I need my father's lands. I need my father's properties.
Mom, it's okay. Let me take it from there. Uncle, you heard what my mom said. What you did was actually wrong. How could you have treated her like that? You ought to have treated her like your own daughter. Well, like she said, that's not why we're here. Now I'm back and I would like you to...
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Shut up. Who asked you to talk? Who asked you to talk? You are not yet even welcome in our family, and you want to put your useless mouth in our family matter. Now let me ask you, if I ask you to show me where my late brother was buried, do you know that place? Answer me. If I ask you where my late brother was buried, do you know? And you had the God to put your useless mouth in our family matter. Now again, it might not be a Barrister, this is just a bad lawyer. Ojoma brought church and bell lawyer to come and intimidate me in my house. He brought a church and bell lawyer to come and intimidate me in my house. And you, Ojoma, those lands have been sold. And there's nothing you can do to retrieve them back. So get that into your skull. And you are a woman, a common woman. You are a common woman. You have no right to question or to ask anything about family land or lands. Get that into your useless and empty skull.
Oh, really?
Uzoma, what you are doing is very wrong. What is wrong with you?
No, please.
My name is Hope Uzodema. Stop calling Uzoma. You are losing yourself. You don't talk like a normal human being again. Look at you. I don't even know why you are putting that red cap. You
will come and beg.
Beg who? You.
You will
beg
come
you.
and beg. You.
Beg you.
You will kneel down and beg. Uzoma, I'll talk to him. Please calm down.
You will talk to who?
I am very, very calm. Did you see me shake? I'm calm, very, very calm.
You will talk to who? And you think if you talk to me, I will listen to you? You think I will listen to you? There's nothing good about your talking because I will not listen to you. You don't have any sense. You don't have any example thing to say. You are not making any sense. You are just bulum when you preach it with the net to blow power. I don't blame you. You want to talk. Look at the person that you want to talk to me. My son, listen to me. Listen. I want to see in this village as soon as possible. There is situation at hand. Don't ask me a question. When you come, I will tell you everything. Huh? Oh, stop the. I said, come to the village. When you come, I will explain everything to you. Have I been standing like this before? You will come tomorrow. It's okay. I will be waiting. I will be waiting. Excuse me. Police. What are they doing here?
Officers, this is the man. He's arresting.
Okay, Mr. Man, you are under arrest for the offense of trespassing and selling a property that does not belong to you. For that, hey, I'm not done talking. Madam, for that, I advise you remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, move him.
Why do you want to arrest my husband?
Are you people calling me?
Okay, no problem. I am coming.
Excuse me, officer. I don't understand.
Where are you going?
You want to run?
So now you remember that.
Run to where? Officer, we can settle this. This is my daughter and this is my son.
Take
it easy now.
Jama, move.
You heard him. He said he's
Do you
not
want me to
your
respond?
son.
I said move.
Ozoma, remember it's your uncle. Hey, Nanyo, what kind of problem is this, eh?
Officer, take it easy now. Take it easy. I told you I'm having BP. Let me bring my blood. Do you want me to die inside the cell? I'm coming. Wait now.
I've respected you on the way.
Officer, wait.
Move. Our son has become a lawyer now. Who knows what the outcome of this problem will be? Let me call my son so that let me tell him what is happening. Where's the phone?
I don't understand. You are confusing me. Because when Papa was selling those lands, I asked him, and he said Ozioma was aware. But from what you are telling me right now, Ozioma was not aware that Papa was selling those lands. Why? And now the police is involved, and you want me. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do, Mama? You know that I don't support evil. If Papa has done a bad thing, Papa has to pay for it. No, because I cannot support him to do evil because he's my father.
Please, my son, Biko, let's not talk about what your father did wrong or what he didn't do. Biko, let's talk about how we can bail him. Look, your father has been arrested for the past 3 days. If not for anything now, at least consider his health, Biko one. Biko, let's talk about how we can bail him. Then, when he comes back, you can be mad at him. You can do anything you want to do to him, Biko. Biko. Biko one, Biko.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. I'll see what I can do.
Biko, it's not about seeing what you can do. You will do something, Biko.
Mama will try. But you know Papa is very stubborn.
Yeah, I know.
I don't understand.
He's not just stubborn, he's also troublesome. I know. Oh, Biko.
Mama, I beg you.
Thank you.
Well, I welcome you all out here so that we can talk concerning an issue at hand, which is how we're going to release Uzodimma out of police custody. Osioma, please, I'm begging you and your son. Our son, Chidubem, has the final say. If you tell the police to release him now, they will do it without wasting time. And that's exactly what I want you to do. The mistake has been made. Uzodimma has sold the lands and used the money. To recover them from him now is practically impossible. He doesn't have that money to refund back to the people that bought the land from him. So I'm begging you, please, do something. I want you to do something.
Uncle Ezenwa, you have spoken well. I have something to say. But before I say it, I would like to reconfirm something from you. Please, who did you say this young man seated here is?
He's Barrister Chidube, Osioma's son. Your nephew.
So, Uncle, what you're trying to tell me is that I have a nephew, someone I can call my brother, who is Osioma's son. Barrister Chidubem. You are welcome. So I can stand proud in this village and say, I have a brother. I have someone I can call my brother, Uncle. You are welcome once again. I welcome you to this family with open hearts. Thank you so much. Please. Uncle Ezenwa, Sister Ozioma, Barrister Chidubem, I know in my heart that we are going to settle this amicably and as a family. And I promise you that I am going to give you half of my father's properties for whatever pain you have passed through. My father, Ed, when he was selling those lands, he didn't tell me that they belonged to his late brother. He didn't. And he told me that Ozioma was aware. Only for me to learn recently that she wasn't aware. And so, Sister Ozioma, please, I want to beg something of you. Would you please release my father? When he comes back home, we can sit down and trash this matter like a family. Biko, please. Biko,
daughter.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, my daughter.
You've spoken well, and I've heard everything you said. I'm sure my son heard you as well. Darling, please, what do you have to say?
Iche, thank you very much. My uncle, Uncle Kenny, you've spoken well. It shows that you want peace. Since my mother also want the same thing, I will see what I can do. The truth is, this case has gone beyond the way we see it. I had already pressed so many charges against him. Nevertheless, like I said, I will see what I can do. You have to give me small time. I need to get some documents ready so that I'll be able to bring him out. I promise you both, I'm going to bring him out.
Well, thank you very much. You see, this is what we are talking about. Let's restore peace back into our family.
Yes.
You've seen your brother. You've seen your brother. You've seen your brother. This is our daughter. So peace will be restored back in our family.
Yes.
Oh, it's already restored.
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 Yeah.
You're back.
Yes, I'm back.
Welcome. So, how did it go?
Oh, everything went well. I went to the orphanage with my lawyer and all necessary documents signed. So, the kids will be released to us by next week.
Kids? What do you mean?
Have you forgotten we requested for twin boys?
Yes, but they said it's not possible.
Now it is possible and available. Okay, so this form you have to fill this form before the kids will be released to us.
These police people are wicked. They really dealt with me. But that's no problem. It is well.
Sorry, man.
It is well. I want to say something. Uzoma, my daughter, please, I want you to forgive my wife and I for all the wrong things we did to you. Huh? You are a good girl. You don't deserve to be treated that way. But I want to tell you something. In this life, everything that happens for a reason. If not the way I treated you, you wouldn't have this boy, Chidubem, in this family. At least I'm happy that he's in this family to represent your father, so that your father's lineage will not be closed. I'm happy. I'm happy. Please, forgive us. Like I said, everything happens for a reason. But please find it in your heart to forgive us.
My daughter, you have heard my husband, your uncle. Please, forgive us. Have mercy and forgive us, please. Biko.
My son, Barrister Chidubem, you are welcome to our family. Please, I'm also pleading with you. I know that when Uzoma get back to you, I know you that you will be a great person. You will be a great man. Look at you today, a barrister. So that if I go out there and any person look for my trouble, I will use you and send that person to prison. I trust you. Please, forgive us. Please, Ezenwa, thank you so much for taking care of everything when I was in the cell. At least what happened here now shows that you did your work as an elder. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You.
Thank you too for listening to us.
Children, you're welcome. You're welcome. My daughter.
I'm happy. Wonderful reunion.
At least now. Both of them, I will make it trouble here and there. If any person look for my trouble, I will send that person to jail. Now I have Valentine in my house, in my family. I have now Valentine. We are not exceptional. If you look for my trouble, I will send you to prison. Don't matter how close we are.
Don't worry.
Thank you,
Can you see that he's looking more like me than you?
It's okay. No problem. You don't look for trouble to see what will happen to you.
See how we go.
We are happy. The Wakabata.
Yes,
Go and bring
yeah.
drinks.
All is over. Okay.
Go and bring drinks. So we celebrate.
Hey! Enough.
Oh, put on them.
Can you hide? How long can you hide this truth? How long can you hide the truth? How long could be more? Stop hiding this truth. Why can't you speak it out? Why can't you say it and free your mind? Stop hiding this truth. Why can't you speak it out? Just say it and free your mind. Stop hiding this truth. Why can't you speak it out? This is serious. Just say it. Stop hiding this truth. Why can't you speak it out? There is no perfect moment. What you don't know is bigger than you. You cannot keep this secret forever. God knows the best for you. Only say the truth. The truth is life. Just say the truth, Ellie. Cause what we be must be. Onye genyere mmadụ aka, ga genyere ya aka, no matter what, so you far.